Unfortunately, when people think of Baltimore, they think of The Wire. That was not always the case with Baltimore.
You're hard pressed if you're a Baltimorean or someone who's living in the city to leave the city and somebody not say to you, when you say, "Oh, I'm from Baltimore," they say, "Oh, The Wire." And I'm like, please don't attach that label to us because that is not our city.
When I tell people around the country I'm from Baltimore, oh, you got a gun? You know, it's the idea that this is like a major crime capital. And I think The Wire, 20 years afterwards, still has a lot to do with that. And more recently, We Own the City.
And so that is what has gotten our people throughout the world, because they saw The Wire. And so now Baltimore is depicted as the murder capital of the world, the drug capital of the world. I mean, in many instances, you know, some of this stuff is overblown.
I can remember that a friend of mine and I, we were in New York, and we took a cab, and he said, "Where are you from?" And we said, "Baltimore." He said, "Oh, I'm scared of y'all." He said, "I watched The Wire."
That thanks to, when we say Baltimore, current Baltimore, thanks to We Own This City, The Wire, homicide, life on the streets. I have a saying, you know, people that saw that, ironically, I was on the train going to New York, and two gentlemen were sitting, you know, in front of me on the train. It was very crowded, and we were pulling through East Baltimore on the train. We were leaving the station, and they said, "This is how they were from Ireland." And they told me that the most often watched program in Europe was The Wire. So what am I saying? I'm saying that the perception of the city was predicated on what people saw.